Hey viewers, it's another one of our exciting videos. And today, we'll be looking at the steps to be taken to achieve financial freedom. Before the show begins, thank you all for experiencing another one of our videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to get to see more like this. You're on the road to financial freedom. Where do you want to stop? Today is a good day to start thinking about where you want to end up. Here are some considerations: goals, plans, budgets, investment, etc. This will not be an easy road to tread. There are no guarantees in life and no particular landmarks to look for. However, having financial freedom allows creativity and perspective to those who find their way more easily. Let's take a look at some of the most important steps to freedom. Let's go! Number 11. Negotiate. If you're unfortunate enough to have a debt, negotiation is the art of getting what you want without giving more. If you want more money to spend on things that make you happy but cannot earn as much, perhaps because you're self-employed and your income is less than ideal, then bargaining might be your only option. Suppose you're working a steady job that pays well enough that you don't mind working more hours for a higher salary, but still want some freedom to spend on the things that make you happy without sacrificing your standard of living. In that case, negotiation is likely your best bet. Negotiating a better deal with your current card company is one method of improving financial freedom. When you have a credit card with excellent terms and premiums that you can afford, the process of negotiating can be easier. You are more likely to win a better deal by lowering your demands or raising your premiums, not by trying to force your way out of a deal. Number 10. Make a budget. The best part of starting your own business can be getting away from the rat race. The pressure to create and keep track of finances can get overwhelming, and it's easy to get stuck in a rut. This is especially true if you feel overwhelmed by how much money you have to save each month. Making a budget helps lay out a clear plan for your budget management and helps you stick with it. It may also provide some wiggle room should you decide in the future that it isn't working out as well as you had hoped. The first step to financial freedom is to make a budget. This step is mostly for guiding you through your finances and making sure that you aren't going overboard, which is a form of overspending. You should create a monthly budget for each of the 3 months of the year. Your expenses for that month are included in the total. You should adjust your budget periodically to keep track of how much money you have left over each month after paying off debts and saving for retirement or income or transition. Number 9. Create automatic savings. It takes some work, but you can set things up so that your money comes in on time and automatically upon request. Instead of relying on login information or paper checks, you set up automatic transfers from your paycheck into your savings account. You can also set up automatic transfers from your paycheck into your money market account, so you have access to instant cash when you want it. Your final step towards financial freedom will be in the creation of automatic savings. This is when you combine over $1,000 into your checking account each month with no effort on your part. Instead of wiring money into your savings account on an ongoing basis, you're wiring money into it on a scheduled basis, usually a set amount each month. Starting an automatic savings program can be a great way to get money from your paycheck automatically each month. It can also help improve your credit score. When you have this program set up, it'll automatically transfer from your paycheck into your savings account at the end of each month. Number 8. Early investment. If you've managed to save money over the years through frugal living and working, and you want to know where to put it, towards your future. To be financially free, you need to start investing now. With the stock market in a state of disarray, the best financial investment right now is in cash. Starting an investment is no easy task. It requires determination, discipline, and risk tolerance. To be successful, you have to start somewhere. Investing is a big step, so it's important to get the right advice from experts. In this post, I'll tell you about the steps to financial freedom and how you can start investing now. The financial freedom that matters involves spending less than you earn, not working very hard to get your return on investment, and owning your piece of property. One of the main reasons to get out of debt and into a positive net worth is the concept of freedom. We are free to do what we want with our lives and have the financial money to do it. There's financial freedom from earning money for doing something you love, whether working for yourself or starting your own business. Start investing today. If you're on the path to financial freedom, remember, you have to change your mindset in order to reach it. So be sure to check in the description my #1 recommendation that will help you a lot. Number 7, watch your credit. Watching your credit is an essential part of personal finance. Not doing so can leave you vulnerable to creditors and identity thieves. Not to mention being at risk of defaulting on your debts. It's also crucial to know how your credit score influences other aspects of your life, including how much you can qualify for a loan and the terms of your credit cards. To identify what's happening on your credit report is to understand the state of your finances. Watching your credit report can be the single most powerful step you can take to improve your financial situation. The last thing you should do is sign up for new products or services without reading the fine print. Learn how to identify and avoid common mistakes that can leave you broke and poor. There's so much information out there, it isn't easy to know where to start. Read carefully and ask questions if you have any doubts about a particular product or service.